Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add vignette in Photoshop. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply click on this icon, and from here just simply go to levels or level. From here guys, just click on this, and from here just make the photo a little bit darker. So let's say I'm gonna go for this, and now from here just simply go ahead and go for the brush tool. And from here, make sure the brush is big enough. So just click on this and make the size a little bit bigger. And from here, make sure to click on this and make sure the black is on the top. And from here, just click on it. So I'm just going to click over to this person. Once you have highlighted the person, just go ahead and click on this. And now from here on the properties, just adjust the feather. So let's say I'm going to go for 200, and as you can see it is now darker. From here guys, in order for you to adjust that, just simply double click on this levels one and a pop-up will show up. So from here, just tap on alt and just simply go ahead and make it to the maximum over here and click on OK. And now as you can see, when we close this, this is the before and this is the after. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.